Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will create a related action listener to return a JSON response in which a response of the related post will be rendered below the post. In the previous tutorial, we have created the AJAX call which is calling this action which we are going to create. So we will copy the any JSON result action listener like the get. Now paste here. Oops, I have to stop the application execution. Now here I have related action. We will create the same list, open the connection, check the connection. We have the procedure tutorial posting, we have filter, get post related, okay, and we have a parameter that is called category. Right now we just for the demo purpose hard code the category, and here it is. It will get the record table ID, title, description, status, publish date, SEO URL, category, and add into the model and model into the list, returned, and that will render. Okay, so now we will use a checkpoint here and execute the application. So with the help of this checkpoint, we will get to know how many records are returned from the controller to the view, and it will really helpful for us to identify how much record will be rendered in the front end. Now refresh this page and wait until it is get rendered by the application, and in the console you can see the request goes, and here is the request is. So when I will click on model, it's lets me know there are 3 records available. Okay, continue, and these 3 records are rendered. It is look like all are same, but now it's time to change the record. Okay, so how we can change the record? In the value, oops, yes, here the value is the reference. Okay, and what we want to change, we want to change the, here is the title. So what we will do, we will say concatenate value dot title. Now refresh the page once and you will see the title is get changed automatically. Here's basic and structure and environment and so on. Now we will place category here. We will remove this. Yes, this one we will remove. Here we will place the category. Category. Okay, that's it. And now refresh the page, and here is the category. Now we need to place a limited record. Okay, it is giving the category ID but not category. Yes, the reason is that we have to remove this. And now execute. refresh. Now it will show us the category. Okay, we want to fetch the limited record, so either we can parse it on the front end, or either we can parse it from the back end. Okay, the both option we have here. In our case, we will go with the backend solution. How? In the description here we have the record. So what we will do, we will store this record in the temporary variable. As here you can see, I will take string content is equal to this, and then I will say content dot substring, and from 0 to I need almost 150 character, or whatever character, for example 200 characters, and now execute. So it will return me the specific length of record, and I will render this record now in the front end. In here I will say and its name is description, and that's it. Now refresh the page and you will see we have title, category, and there is no content available. So what we need to do, we need to use check here. Refresh this. Here is the check, and we need to go through the next one and go through the next one, and here we have, oh yes, the problem is that it's rendered this also with the class size. So what we will do, we will make it of for example, we cannot limitize this here, we have to limitize it in the front end. Now in the front end we will use the help of jQuery to limitize the length of content. So here what we will do, we will go here and create a function reduce content text. Here what we will do, we will return text dot substring, and here we have substring of 0 to kind of 500, and use this here. And that's it. Now refresh the page and let's see. what's happened. Okay, yes, and it's work quite. So let's reduce the result to 300. Refresh. To make it more effective, we can reduce the size to 200, and now refresh the page, and you can see how it is effective. And oops, in the 200 it is not working, so let's use 250 words. And now let's refresh the page. Yes, in the 250 words it is like this. Okay, we have to use 300 words. So now refresh, and you can see how it is look like. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.